This Monday on Degrassi.
Freeze warning remains in effect until further notice. The National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a snow squall warning for southeastern Bandera County, central Guadalupe County, Travis County, northwestern Atascosa County, central Kendall County, northwestern Wilson County, south central Burnett County, northeastern Medina County, southwestern Williamson County, northwestern Caldwell County, Hayes County, central Blanco County, northwestern Bastrop County, northwestern Lee County, Bexar County, Comal County, until 12:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11:52 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a dangerous snow squall was located along a line extending from Round Rock to near Somerset, and is nearly stationary. Hazard: whiteout conditions. Zero visibility in heavy snow and blowing snow. Sustained winds 30 miles per hour with 60 miles per hour wind gusts. A brief gust of 90 miles per hour was reported. Source: radar indicated. Impact: dangerous, life-threatening travel. Locations impacted include San Antonio, Austin, Round Rock, New Braunfels, San Marcos, Cedar Park, Georgetown, Pflugerville, Schertz, Kyle, Seguin, Cibolo, Universal City, Live Oak, Lockhart, Bernie, Buda, Hondo, Elgin, and Selma. Consider avoiding or delaying travel until the snow squall passes your location. If you must travel, use extra caution and allow extra time. Rapid changes in visibility and slick road conditions may lead to accidents. Slow down. Rapid changes in visibility and road conditions are expected with this dangerous snow squall. Be alert for sudden whiteout conditions. Wet roadways will quickly freeze. Black ice will cause roads, bridges, and overpasses to become slick and dangerous. Slow down and be prepared for sudden loss of traction.